Global Tax and Accounting Software Market Report, Forecast to 2025. The global tax and accounting software market is expected to reach United States $31.59 billion by 2025, growing at a CAGR of 7.9% from the year 2019-2025. The players in the global tax and accounting software market have adopted mergers and acquisitions as a key growth strategy. The accounting software segment accounted for the largest market share of 67.6% in 2018, with a market value of United States $12.60 billion. It is expected to register a CAGR of 7.6% during the forecast period. The tax software segment was valued at United States $6.05 billion. It is projected to register the highest CAGR of 8.4%. Regionally, North America accounted for the largest market share of 39.73% in 2018, with a market value of United States $7.41 billion. The market is expected to register a CAGR of 5.9% during the forecast period. Cordially fill in sample request for more details.